Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF documents into an editable Word document. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and also turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So I have this PDF document right here that I want to convert into an editable Word document. So to do that, I'm going to head over to my Microsoft Word. So what I'm going to do here is to open the PDF document with Microsoft Word. So I'm going to head over to File, and then I'm going to hit on Open right here, and I'm going to browse the location of the file. So I have it on my desktop. So this is it right here. I'm going to hit on Open. So immediately you hit on Open, you are going to be prompted by this window that says, Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphics. So that's fine. I'm going to hit on OK. So that's it right there. That's how to convert a PDF document into an editable Word document. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.